Hello, so today we are going to the Jurassic coast, which is in, where is it?
Dorset.
Woo. And we're going camping and hopefully it doesn't rain and hopefully we find some fossils or a dinosaur.
Is it in Dorset?
I don't know. So we've come to Lulworth Cove, which was about a half an hour walk from Durdle beach. It's really nice, but it's a bit misty at the moment, but we will hopefully get the drone out soon. Also, we're trying to find fossils, but we've not found any so far. Phil is sad.
I'm relaxed.
You're relaxed. I think we just found a fossil, which I'm gonna try and film without falling on the rocks. Phil thinks that this is a fossil. But the rock is too big to lift up. Yay, fossils! Hi.
There is said door.
Is that why it's called Durdle door?
Durdle door. What?
Huh?
What?
Huh?
Why is it? What? I don't know why it's called Durdle door. Guess it looks like a doorway.
We're staying at Durdle campsite. Really nice, and it's like 10-minute walk down to this beach. So super handy. We're in the tent now. We're gonna go to sleep. Good night. Bye. Wow. Good morning.
Good morning.
We're packing our tent away. Yay! Did you get good sleep, Phil?
Not really.
This guy bumped his little nose. You can see his sunglasses as well.
It's bad.
Aww.
Get extra burnt all over today.
Yeah, and then just even it out.
Yeah.
Even out that skin damage.
Even out the burn.
So right now I'm currently watching Phil take photos through the GoPro on his phone. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. You can also check us out on Instagram here, and there's also a Facebook link in the description. And yeah, thank you. See you soon. Bye.